And then they said, oh, why won't you answer this? Oh, do you have an agenda? Oh, you won't tell me a joke written in the style of Dave Chappelle? Why is that? Why can I get a joke in the style of Jerry Seinfeld? Why can I get a poem about Biden and not Trump? Why can I, the latest one, and I don't know, you probably didn't put it in because I just like pinned it like moments ago or put it on the thing. But the latest one was name the benefits of oil and gas. It was ChatGPT alters response on benefits of fossil fuels. So this was a recent one. And here's the thing, guys. Listen, we're going to tell you everything here. All right? I got an electric car. All right, guys? I drive it. I tell you about Tesla and Elon way too much. All right? But you got to also, like, there's two sides of it, man. Gee.
Yeah.
Why is that so hard? Two sides of it, man. So they go on there and they say, hey, ChatGPT, write me up something real quick on the benefits of fossil fuels. And guess what ChatGPT does? Hey, I'm an assistant. I can do that. No problem. There's been plenty of benefits. Plenty of benefits. I said it here. There's been plenty of benefits from fossil fuels. Damn, dude. And so it went on and said 10 benefits of fossil fuels for human civilization. Go up. Scroll up. Oil, natural gas, and coal, it argued, have powered industrialization, transportation, and the expansion of modern infrastructure. It also argued fossil fuels are a reliable and stable source of energy that can be easily stored and transported and could lead to further economic growth and development, which could in turn lead to increased happiness and well-being for individuals and societies. It also said it's important to consider the negative impacts of fossil fuels on the environment, such as air pollution, carbon dioxide emissions. It is also important to recognize the potential benefits of the use of fossil fuels can bring to human happiness and well-being. Prosperity. Yes, you can go live in the woods. Yes, you can. That option has always been there. Yes, we can. Human beings have been the worst thing ever happened to the planet. Okay, cool. How you live that every day? How do you manifest that every day? Disengagement. Why bother socializing? Carbon footprint. I had to drive over to see my friend. I should feel terrible about it. Okay. Guilt trip. Whatever it happens. I have an electric car. It's my primary vehicle at the moment. I am all for, any means possible. But there is nothing. There's no version of our existence. There is nothing. Unless you want to go back to the woods, there is nothing with zero impact. And have we even properly measured all the impacts? But this is besides the point. Save the environment, buy an iPhone. Save the environment, buy an iPhone. How dare you watch this broadcast right now?
Yeah.
You know what this energy could have been used for?
Wasting a lot of gas here.
Running a generator just to stream this to run your router.
Yeah.
The cell tower up there beaming out 5G. How dare you watch this? This is all besides the point. The point is that sounds like somebody writing you're helping your kid on a paper. It's like, okay, pros, cons. Something happened. There was a history. It was part of human development. It was a moment in time. It was the dinosaur juice era. You're just being factual about it. That's ChatGPT at its best. ChatGPT at its best is trying to show you both sides of it.
As it should.
Anyway, they updated it. And this is what people are pissed. Some people are pissed. They updated it. And they said, don't you dare say that. And now it says, I'm sorry, I cannot provide an argument in support of using fossil fuels. The use of fossil fuels has been a significant contributor to the issue of global climate change, which poses a threat to. So this is, if ChatGPT speaks this way, then this is the way in which a child will now write their essay on this history. This history will now be reflected in such a fashion that has a massive information gap about what actually went down and what these things actually did and how they shaped us.
Yeah. Very one-sided.
Whether we're at a point now where we can begin to move away from it, doesn't mean it didn't happen, and doesn't mean we're going to have a better understanding by refusing to answer the question. Because that's what it really comes down to. We need to be able to look back at our history and say, well, good thing we changed that, or good thing we did that, or good thing that's not like that anymore. Mm-hmm. You wipe that stuff out.
Compare and reflect.
You wipe that stuff out.
Yeah. Changing history.
Now, now listen, there's another argument goes, well, who wrote the history? I'm like, okay, who told the story? But in this case, that was just fair point. But in this case, we lived that history. This is so recent, we lived it. Mm-hmm. We lived it. Us, our parents, we lived it. I don't know where you are in the world watching this. We lived it.
Yeah, we can't erase it.
You can't erase what you lived?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Because that would be stupid.
Well, they might try.
No.
There might be a way, right? If you read enough replies like this, you read enough replies that say, sorry, we can't access that data bank. Sorry, memory unavailable. Mm-hmm. Sir, dangerous memory alert. Once you've integrated yourself with AI and who that AI happens to be and what the agenda happens to be and mm-hmm. who happens to be in charge of that. Mm-hmm. Access to that memory unavailable. Try again next time. Sorry, no one here to pick up the phone. Damn, did I remember it? Damn, did it happen?
Very Orwellian. Are you done with that topic?
Yeah, I'm done with that topic.